Slide 1 Introduction. What if I am away from my desk, and I urgently need to execute a transaction in SAP? And my SAP Automation Framework picks it up, executes it, and sends me the result back automatically? That is exactly what I am planning to build next. Slide 2 The problem. Right now, my SAP Automation Framework depends on my desktop. I need Excel open, SAP open, and I must click the execute button manually. That means no mobility, no remote execution, no instant action during urgent situations. I want to remove that limitation. Slide 3 Mobility Engine Concept. Here is the concept. I send an email from my phone. Outlook receives it. My VBA parser reads the request. It writes the data into the MB21 worksheet. Then my existing execute_it procedure runs the SAP GUI transaction. Finally, the result is sent back to me through email. That is the Mobility Engine. Slide 4 Core Layers. The Mobility Engine will work in 5 layers. Layer 1 is the trigger layer. This detects the incoming email request. Layer 2 is the parsing layer. This extracts the command details. Layer 3 is the injection layer. This writes those values into my existing worksheet. Layer 4 is the execution layer. This calls my existing automation engine. And layer 5 is the feedback layer. This returns the result to the requester. Slide 5 Compliance Guidelines. Before implementing this, there are important guidelines. Use licensed Microsoft Excel and Outlook. Keep the automation running under your own logged-in session. Make sure SAP GUI Scripting is enabled. And always ensure your company policy allows this type of automation. This is important. Slide 6 What to avoid? There are also things we must avoid. Do not run unattended Office automation on a server. Do not share SAP credentials. Avoid auto-reply loops in Outlook. And never allow unauthorized indirect SAP access. Responsible automation matters. Slide 7 Deployment Strategy. I will build this feature in phases. Phase 1 will be simulation mode. The email will be parsed and written into the worksheet only. No posting. Phase 2 will be assisted mode. The request will wait for human approval before execution. Phase 3 will be full mobility engine. Fully automated. But only where policy allows. Best safe architecture. Recommended way. Human in the loop mode, best. Email arrives. Framework parses. Before final SAP post. Show confirmation. Example. Pending mobility request. Press approve. This keeps Microsoft safer. SAP safer. Audit stronger. Then later evolve to full automation. Slide 8 Next video. In the next video, I will start building the Outlook listener. This will be the first step toward making SAP Automation mobile. This is just the beginning. Welcome to SAP Mobility.